Hi guys, this is Siabonga from Millionaires Journey. Welcome back to the course. We are continuing where we left off. Our last topic, we were talking about brokers. We're talking about what is a broker, types of brokers, how brokers make money, advantages of using those types of brokers, and things you should know before you open a real account. So today we are continuing. We'll be talking about the chart. We will be talking about the chart where the price is displayed. We will be learning more about the chart and the types of charts, and I will also talk a bit about what are the charts used for. Why do we need the forex chart as a trader? So let's continue, and I hope you benefit from this video. So let's explain what is a forex chart. What is a forex chart? A forex chart displays the historical behavior of a currency pair across varying time frames. So a forex chart displays the past behaviors or the previous price movement of a certain pair or stock or whatever that you are trading. So a forex chart displays the historical behavior of a currency across varying time frames. So the forex chart displays the price movement across different time frames. You remember I said we have 1 hour, we have 4 hours, we have 30 minutes, we have 1 minute, up to monthly and weekly. So a forex chart displays the behavior of a currency pair using those time frames that I explained. You remember the time frames. I will also go on a live chat and show you what I mean when I say the forex a forex chart display historical movement of a currency pair across varying time frames. A forex chart allows traders to view the past, and according to technical analysis, it can help predict the future movement. So this is one of the uses. This is one of the uses of the forex chart. So it says a forex chart allows traders to view the past. So the forex trader, it allows you as a trader to view the past, to see what happened the past few weeks, the past few months, the past few days, the past few years, or on the particular currency pair or whatever that you are trading. And according to technical analysis, it can help predict the future price movement. So the forex chart allows you to view the past, and according to technical analysis, it can help you predict what the price will do in future. So by looking at the previous price movement, we can try and predict what can happen in the future. The forex chart, it shows how the exchange rate of a currency pair has changed over time. So if you are looking at the Euro USD forex chart, you can see when the Euro USD was high and you can see when the Euro USD was low. So basically it shows you each and every move that pair did and when it did it. So this is a forex chart. This here is a forex chart. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Okay, that's not good. Let's continue like this. So this is a forex chart. This is a forex chart. As you can see, I opened at gold. So this is a chart for gold. It's a forex chart for gold. When you are looking at this chart, you can see what the gold did the past few days and past few weeks, you know. So as you can see, this is how the gold was moving. It dropped, it came back up, dropped a bit, and then it pushed up, then pushed down, and now it's going down. And previous days it was just pushing up. So this chart shows each and every movement that gold has done. If you are looking at the USD chart, you will see what the USD chart, or you will see what the USD has done the past few days. And as it says here, technical analysis, according to technical analysis, it can help predict the future movement. So if you know technical analysis, you can use this past movement to predict what can happen. As you can see, let me just show you an example of what I mean when I say you can use the previous or the past to predict the future. As you can see, I drew this level here. You can see this line, this straight line that is going. As you can see, the price, when it got here, it pushed down, it came back here, it pushed down. We are hoping if it comes back here, it will push down again. So we know that, okay, when the price reaches this certain level, it pushes down. When it comes back to that level, it pushes down. So as it says, the technical analysis believe that it can help predict the future. We can try to predict the future using those movements. So this is basically a forex chart. So a chart in forex is a visualization of bid and ask price movement of a currency pair. What you see here, it's a price movement. It's a price movement of a currency pair. For now, I am looking at gold. This price movement can be expressed in different time frames: minutes, hours, day, even month. I will explain this when we go to the live chat. I will show you what I mean when I say the price can be shown in minutes, hours, days, even months. Currency exchange chart shows this price movement this way. The horizontal line shows the price and the vertical line shows the pair. So on a forex chart, the horizontal line shows the price and the vertical line, it shows the date, you know. So let me show you here. As you can see here, this is a price and this is a date. So this line, it shows the date, and this line, it shows the price. I will again explain this on a live chat, so where you can be seeing exactly what it means. So let's continue. I hope now you have an idea on what is a chart and what is it used for, and what it shows, and what you can learn or how you can trade the chart. So we have three different types of charts. So it says here, type of chart. The charts themselves can come in three different forms, right? We have a line chart, we have a bar chart, we have a candlestick chart. So the chart can come in different forms, three different forms. So let's continue and explain what I mean when I say the chart can come in three different forms. Traders use forex chart for a method called technical analysis. You remember I said technical analysis believes that past movement can help us predict the future movement. With technical analysis, we analyze the price movement of a pair and try to predict how it will behave. So with technical analysis, we analyze the previous move and try to predict the future. You will learn these things as we continue with the course. So the chart can assist us to that. It's one of the uses of the chart. So let's explain. Remember I said we have a line chart, a bar chart, and a candlestick chart. So now let's explain a line chart. Let's explain a line chart. A forex line chart is most basic and simple representation. So it says a forex line chart is the most basic and simple price representation. This one is not complicated. It just shows you the price movement as it is. It doesn't show you a lot of details. It marks price points of a certain currency on chart, and they connects the neighboring points to each other with a continuous line. So a forex line chart marks each and every steps of the price and then connect all those dots with one continuous line. That's why it's called a line chart. It connects each and every dot that the market made, and then it connects it and make it a one moving line. Line charts are very simple to understand. That's because they only portray the closing of a currency pair. So a line chart doesn't show you when the price opened, when the price closed. It only shows you when the price closed. It doesn't show you when the price was high, when the price was low. It only shows you the closing of that price. So traders who want to get more complex information like opening or highest or lowest cannot use this line chart. A line chart cannot give them what they are looking for. So basically a line chart is just a line moving like this, showing you that the price went high, it went down, it went high, it went down. As you can see here, this is a line chart of Euro USD on a 1 hour scale. You can see that the price was just going down, it went up, it came back, it went a bit up, now it's just pushing up. So it's just one line. That's why it's called a line chart. So let's continue and explore these other forms of chart. And then we have the bar chart. The bar chart. So what is a bar chart? What is a bar chart? Unlike the line forex chart, bar charts are more complex. Bar charts are more complex and offer more price than previous line chart. So a bar chart is more complex than a line chart. Instead of just a moving line, a bar chart is more complex. Let's continue and explain what I mean when I say it's more complex. The bars represent 4 different prices of a currency pair in a given time period, either minute, hours, days, or higher. So it shows you the open and the close of a certain currency pair in either minutes, hours, days, or higher. Here are those 4 prices. Remember I said it represents 4 different prices. So let me explain those 4 different prices. The top and the bottom ends of a bar represent the highest and the lowest. You see here, high, low. This is a bar chart. This is a bar chart. As you can see, we have a bar chart. So this is one bar. We are looking at one bar. Let me show you. This whole thing is one bar. A bar chart is made of a lot of this different kind of this. We have small ones, we have long ones. As you can see here, this one is longer than the others. We have short ones. So the top and the bottom ends of the bar represent the highest and the lowest price of the asset in that period, in that time period. So if you are on a 1 hour candle, this bar represents 1 hour of price movement. So it says here high, it says here low. So the end, this end and this end, they show you the high and the low, right? Let's continue. A short vertical line on the left shows the opening price, and the same on the right shows the closing price, right? Let me show you. This line here, shows the opening, this one shows the close. So it shows you better details than the line chart. You can see that if this candlestick opened at 1 a.m., you can see that Euro USD around 1 a.m. it opened at the certain price, it went to the lowest price, and then it pushed to this highest price, and then it came to close at this certain level. So you see 4 different price movements in one particular bar that represent a certain time frame, right? So as you can see, this one explains more than the line chart. So let's continue and check out the candlestick chart. So let's talk about the candlestick chart. The candlestick chart, the most popular FX market chart. So this chart is the most popular, is the most used, and when you log into your MetaTrader 4, it's basically the default chart. You get that chart. Candlestick chart basically combine the 2 previous charts. So it's a combination of a line chart and a bar chart all in one. A candlestick chart is the most popular method for visualization forex price movements in a given period of time. It's the most popular chart. Most traders are using this chart. The bar chart only shows 4 different prices in just one time period, and the line chart only shows 1 price in longer time frame. The candlestick shows 4 prices in a longer time frame. So if you are looking at the bar chart, you are only seeing at this 4 prices, and if you are looking at the line chart, you are only looking at the longer time frame. But if you are looking at the candlestick chart, you can see the 4 prices in a longer time frame. So it's a combination of the both trading charts. The individual candlesticks are arranged in a given period, and they show open and close, high and low of a currency pair. So these are candlesticks. So by a candlestick chart, we mean a chart that is made of candlestick. You saw on the bar chart, we have a chart that is made of bars, and on a line chart, on the line chart, we have a chart that is made of a line. So if a line chart is made of a line, bar chart has bars. A candlestick chart, there's candlesticks. In this chart type, the space between the short vertical line open and close called the real body. Each candlestick typically show a certain period. So this space between the open and close, it's the real body. So the difference between this the bar and this candlestick is that the bar is like this. The bar is like this. It doesn't have the body. So it shows the same thing, because it can be a low, it can be a high, it can be closed, it can be open. Just like here. Here is our low, here is our open, here is our close, here is our high. This is the body. So it's easier to read. You can see the momentum, and we have a lot of different candlesticks. As you can see, this candlestick is not the same as this. Even the size, everything is different. So the price is explained. You get to understand a lot of details when you are using a candlestick. We will have a lesson where we'll be talking about candlesticks, all different kinds of candlesticks, and how we can use those candlesticks. So let's check out the last part of this presentation. What are forex charts used for? What are forex charts used for? What are we doing with these forex charts? Charts in forex are used for technical analysis. In this method that traders can use to predict the future movement. You remember I explained a bit about technical analysis. I said that by analyzing the past, we can try and predict the future. If the price pattern behave in a certain way, traders who use this method believe that it will probably continue going in the same prediction. For example, if the price is increasing from left side of the chart to the right side of the chart, they may predict that it will continue in this upward direction, and therefore decide to buy. So technical analysis, if they see a price doing this, they can decide that on the pullback we are buying, then they will just assume that it will continue buying. And if the price is declining from the left side of the chart to the right side of the chart, they may they may decide that it will continue declining, and they will decide to sell the pair. So say the opposite, that if they see it dropping, they may decide to sell, assuming that it can continue dropping. So a lot furthermore details will be posted in our Google Classroom, and thank you for watching up to this very end. I hope to see you in our classroom, where we explain further. We send in notes. Also, you can ask Google, you can ask questions in our WhatsApp group, and we will try by all means to answer you. So this is Siyabonga from Millionaire's Journey. Let's meet on the other video. Thank you.